Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all and welcome to our YouTube channel. Our today's video is about Techsar Alliance conference that was made in 2016, and we have in this article highlights about day 2 of that conference. So the impact talk quotable quotes of that conference where you have to have an after hours strategy. Not all work gets done between 8 am and 5 pm. We all know what we need to do, we just don't get to it. If you have a good candidate, don't give him away. Pay rate drives revenue, not just head count. Get a hunting license. You don't always have to play in the VMS space, but you have to be on the vendor list to go after ancillary business. So these are the VIP quotes, important quotes from that. Shaking up for culture mean we had to get rid of some long-term employees. Some really good people or recruiters role play 60, 80, 100 times, so they know how to handle objections before they take their first sales call. In 2006, I was scared. I didn't know how to grow a business. We are looking for people who don't quit. They hate to lose, they are there for the company good, and they want to be pushed. Then we have Emerging Talent Acquisition Technologies by Bruce Morton. Takeaway number 1 is staffing clients want to an Amazon experience where they can pick attributes, price, and delivery in a one-stop shop. The second takeaway we have investing in technology is as much of retention issue as an ROI issue. If you are not giving your recruiters the latest and greatest tools, they are going to walk away. The third takeaway we expect everything to be easy, but the tools people give us at work aren't as good as the tools we are using at home. Many of the skill sets you are supplying are going to disappear. Take a good hard look and get out early. So the fifth takeaway is pick up the phone and make your work easy. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Keep watching. Allah Hafiz.